simultaneously. Okay. Chalo, what is the topic? Our topic is circle, right? Yes. So in that we are going to study the part of circle. What are the parts? Now, see how we are, as we know, circle, right? Ali, Kedar, Bhavya, circle is there. So circle, can you see the outer part? Yes. And the
Yes, teacher.
surrounding part. So that surrounding and the part which is surrounding the circle, that we call it as a circumference, right?
Circumference.
Yeah, it is called circumference. Can you see the car moving? Yes, moving on the
The car moving
circumference of,
on circumference.
yeah, circumference of whose? Circle. So the outer part, can you see the part which is around the circle? That is circumference. This is the first thing about the circle. Now second thing, the line drawn from the center. Can you see the center? And which
Yes,
is
teacher.
to the
Radius.
which is to the circumference, from center to the circumference. Yes, so that we called it as a radius of the circle. Yes, can you see that how the line is there joined from center to the circle? That is called radius of the circle. So first part was circumference, second part is radius. Now the midpoint means where from where we start drawing a circle, there is a center. Yeah, so this center point is, yeah, that is this midpoint of the circle is called it as a center. Now we will see the line drawn from one circumference. Can you see line? One circumference. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, teacher.
So from here to the other circumference, that is called diameter. Radius, you know, from center to the circumference.
Center to the circumference.
That is radius. But from one circumference to the other circumference, if you are joining a line, if you are drawing a line, that is called as a diameter. Clear? Circumference, radius, diameter. The diameter cuts the circle in half. What is the role of diameter here? It cuts the circle into half. Can you see from the, yeah, so can you see from the image that circle is divided into how many parts? Two types. When you draw a line from one circumference to the another circumference, it divides the circle into two parts, and that is called as a diameter. Clear? Circumference, radius and diameter. Clear? Bhavya, to you also clear? Why your camera is off, Kedar and Bhavya? Please on your camera.
Miss, your voice is coming low.
My voice is low. Now pay attention here. Next. Now we have seen that diameter divides the circle into half, right? But now can you see again from one circumference to another circumference which divide the circle into a small portion? Can you see the one is the big portion and the another is small portion? So that is called it as a chord. So line is when the line connects one point to the ends of the another circle, that point is called it as a chord. Diameter divide the circle half, but chord is small portion. Can you see? So the chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. Now segments are like lines and all. So what parts of circle we have seen? Chord, right? Which divide the circle. Diameter, what the diameter does? It divides the circle.
Half in a circle.
And where is the center of circle?
In midpoint.
Midpoint, very good.
Of the circle.
And what is the radius of circle?
It main point to the circumference.
Kedar, you also answer. And what is the circumference?
The outline of a circle.
Circumference is a
Very good, Kedar. The outer around portion of the circle is circumference. And the arc. Can you see this curve portion below that blue line over the orange line of the circle? That is called arc. मतलब एक curve रहेगा, that is called arc. Clear? This is just a basic idea of parts of the circle. Let's see your school PDF and see what is given over there. Okay?
yes, teacher.
Bhavya, it is clear to you?
No, 2 centimeter.
Now, what is given over here? The same thing which I told you about the circle, right? There is a line from center to the circumference, that is called radius. This is the chord, the line joining 2 points of the on a circle, that is called, and the line which is divide the circle into half, that is called diameter, right? So now 3 questions are there. 3 of you tell me one by one. Kedar, tell me the radius. What is the radius of a circle?
मिडल पॉइंट के नीचे मतलब जो लाइन रहता है वो.
हाँ तो कौन सा लाइन है यहाँ पे? Just tell me which line is there. Kedar, you have to speak in English, dear. Okay, you have to try. So which point is given? Which point you will call it as it is the radius? Yes, Kedar. Which point you will call it as it's a radius?
O teacher.
OT. Very good, Kedar. Very nice. Now, Ali, what is the diameter?
Teacher, a diameter cut a circle into 2 parts.
But here we don't have to write the definition. Here we have to write what are the diameter in this.
Diameter is a line drawn between in the circle.
नहीं, we have to write जो number दिया है ना यहाँ पे. Can you see your alphabets which is labeled over here? Diameter is labeled, chord is labeled, radius is labeled with the alphabets. So tell me what is the diameter?
Yeah, I can say.
No, let him try.
Diameter is MNT.
Sorry?
The diameter is MNT.
And will not come here. MT is the diameter. Okay. And you also can say that PS is also a diameter. Right? MT or you can say PS. ठीक है? Now, Bhavya, what is the chord over here? Bhavya.
Mr. Voice is very low.
What is chord over here? What is chord over here?
Mr. Region.
Okay. Chord. What is chord over here? Kedar, tell me what is chord.
Teacher, N to N.
Chord. Chord I said, no, which is the shortest line which divide the circle. Can you see this N and M? This NM is the chord. और भी कोई लाइन हो सकती है यहाँ पे शॉर्ट लाइन जो कुछ कोई भी नाम दे सकते हैं या यहाँ पे हो सकती है कोई लाइन जिसको हम कॉर्ड बोल सकते हैं. राइट? केदार क्लियर? मैंने
Yes, teacher.
yes, what is called chord over here? Okay, now we will see how to draw a circle. First, let's see in the textbook what is given. Then we will learn how to draw a circle. Now this is called it as a compass to draw a circle. Okay, one arm of the compass has a metal point while the other arm has a place to affix a pencil. Can you see this way? Means one is to place a pencil in the hole. There is a hole in this. Yeah, can you see over this part? Here we have to put a pencil. We have to see whether pencil and this pointed needle kind of sharp pointed there. We have to see whether both pencil and the pointer are same align or not. Okay. Then we have to place the compass over there and then we have to measure. I will tell you this. We have to take any radius. We have to measure on the scale and then we have to draw. Let me explain you. What is given, like for example, I'm just drawing a rough diagram. It is asked to draw a circle of 4 centimeter. So how we will draw 4 centimeter? This is that 4 centimeter is radius of circle is given. Okay. So this is given 4 centimeter. So what we will do? We will take a scale. Okay. What we will do? We will take a scale, right? This is our scale. Okay. This way we have to take our compass.
Yes, teacher.
And what is the centimeter here? What centimeter we have to take? What centimeter?
4.
1 minute.
Teacher, 3. Teacher, 3 centimeter.
4 centimeter we have to take, right? Give me a minute. 1 minute. We have to place like this. Can you see? We have to place at the 0. Okay. And then we have to move this. Till which line we have to move? What is the measurement we have to take? 4 centimeter. समझ में आया how to take 4 centimeter? Yes. Clear how to, this is your compass. In the compass you have to put a pencil. फिर pencil और जो compass रहेगा ना, we have to see both are aligned or not. Then we have to place on the scale and what measurement I have taken? I have taken 4 centimeter. Okay. Then I have taken in the compass 4 centimeter. Then what I have to do?
You can make a circle.
Yes, we can make a circle. Just a minute. I am trying it first time. Okay. Give me a minute. Because now see. Got it? Got it? How we are getting it circle? How to draw a circle?
Make a smile.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So what is the radius we have taken here? 4 centimeter, right? Clear हुआ Bhavya, Ali, Kedar?
Yes.
What if the measurement
Yes,
is
sir.
given that you have to take on a scale, place your compass and that way you can draw a circle. Clear?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
So this is about how to draw a circle, right?
Yes.
Now next. Any one more example you want to see or you understood? Yes, understood?
Teacher, one more example.
One more example. So now see, first
Yes,
draw a
teacher.
yeah, take a line. Here is a line, scale, okay? Let's take a 2 centimeter. Here, if we want to take a 2 centimeter, we have to place it, right? 2 centimeter, how we have to take 2 centimeter? So we have to place a pencil on a 2 centimeter. Can you see it here? Yes, Ali. ये समझ में आया?
Yes, teacher.
On a scale, first
Yes,
take
teacher.
your measurement in a compass. Okay. Then afterwards, what do you have to do? Then you have to draw a
We have to
circle.
draw the circle.
Yes. So how you are able to do now? We are और हमें नीचे नहीं पकड़ना है. We have to hold it at the top. यहाँ पे पकड़ना है और फिर
घुमाना है.
घुमाना है. और ये बन गया हमारा 2 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल. Clear, Ali? Clear, Bhavya? This is our 2
Yes, teacher.
centimeter radius circle.
Okay.
Yes.
और कभी भी रेडियस होगा तो ही हम सर्कल बना सकते हैं. अगर circumference will be given, then we have to divide by 2 and then we have to find out the radius. Radius मतलब क्या होता है? Half of the circumference. Okay, with the circumference we cannot draw a circle, otherwise it will be big. So what we have to do, we have to divide by 2 because हमें पूरा सर्कल का मेजरमेंट नहीं चाहिए रहता. We need only a radius to draw a circle. What we need to draw a circle? We need a radius to draw a circle. Compass is required, लेकिन what measurement you need? You need a radius to draw a circle. If circumference will be given, so you will be divide by 2 that circumference, and whatever you will get with the help of that, you can draw a circle. Is it clear how to draw a circle? How to construct a circle with the compass? Clear, both of three of you? Yes.
Yes.
teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's see in your textbook what is given. Okay. So same here, what is given here? Radii. Radii means what? Radii means radius only. Okay. Draw a circle of any radius. What you have to do? Any circle you have to draw and you have to show one diameter. Just now we have seen what is called diameter. Ali, Bhavya, this is your homework. You have to send me, Bhavya. Bhavya, this is your homework, problem set 28.
Okay.
Because this is in your exam, so I want how much you have understood it. Now, relationship between radius and diameter. Diameter of a circle is twice the length of radius. Just now I told you कि radius क्या होता है? Diameter का half होता है, right? And if you are having a radius, अगर तुम्हारे पास radius 2 है, 2 सेंटीमीटर है, तो उसका डबल करोगे तो that will be your diameter. क्योंकि radius क्या? Point to the circumference. तो एक और half बढ़ा दोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो diameter हो जाएगा. So radius is the diameter is the double of radius. Clear हुआ ये चीज? All the diameter of circle are the same length. कोई भी diameter बनाओगे ना, या तो up vertical या horizontal, वो क्या होएगा? Same length का होएगा. So see, here is the 1 centimeter radius and diameter is 2. अगर radius 1 रहेगा तो diameter उसका double होएगा. अभी यहाँ पे second one में if the radius is 4, So what is the diameter? Say if the radius is 4, what is the diameter?
Teacher, 8.
Yes. If the diameter is 10, what will be the radius?
The radius is 5.
Very good, Ali. Excellent, dear. Now, if the radius of circle is 5 centimeter, then what will be the diameter?
Teacher, आवाज break हो रही है.
Okay. I am reading a question from the problem set 29. If the radius of a circle is 5, then what is the diameter?
Teacher, 10.
Very good, Ali. Only you are giving me answer. Where is Bhavya? Where is Kedar? I don't know. So this is your, again, the homework. Now see here, 3 of you, just see here. We have studied the circle, diameter, radius, arc, circumference, chord, right, Ali? Abhi, whatever the points inside the circle, that is called interior. What we call interior point of the circle? The points which are inside the circle. Can you see your point inside the circle? Which are the points which are inside the circle?
Teacher, your voice is not coming.
Yes, I am asking which are the points inside the circle.
Teacher, P, Q, P, R.
So this is called interior. What we call interior? What we called it as interior point. जो अंदर पॉइंट है और जो बाहर कौन कौन से पॉइंट है? Which are the points outside?
A,
Yes.
N, C, M, D, L, B, and K.
No. The N, K, L, M, they are on the circle. They are not inside or outside. They are on the circle. Outside में कौन से हैं? These are.
C, A, B, D.
So they are exterior. They are exterior point and the inside interior point. Clear? Ali, it is clear what is interior, what is exterior?
Yes.
And which are on the circle, right, Ali? Now points in the interior of the circle. Here a figure is given. You have to write the interior point, exterior point, and points on a circle. Okay, Ali? Bhavya, are you there? Bhavya? Kedar? Nobody is there. Ali, can you tell me your interior points?
Yes, teacher. Y, T, X, R.
How you will write here? Y, T,
Y, T,
X, R. And the
R.
exterior?
Exterior, N, P,
And
N. Teacher, N.
yeah. What is the point on the
Yeah, I
circle?
can finish the lesson angles.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Ali, wait. Now let the Kedar say what points are there on the circle. on the circle.
IRTX.
No dear. इसलिए आपका एक्चुअली मे बी नेटवर्क इश्यू से यू कुड नॉट पे अटेंशन. अभी यहाँ देखो जो भी पॉइंट अंदर है ना सर्कल के, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीरियर, जो अंदर है. और जो बाहर है दैट इज WMZ. ओके, हाउ अली इट इज N over here. एंड विच आर ऑन, मतलब ये जो सर्कमफरेंस के ऊपर है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑन द सर्कल. सो दिस केदार, नाउ टेल मी विच पॉइंट्स आर देयर ऑन द सर्कल. सर्कमफरेंस के ऊपर जो रहेगा वो होगा ऑन द सर्कल. विच इज कंप्लीटली आउटसाइड द सर्कल, दैट इज एक्सटीरियर. विच इज कंप्लीटली इनसाइड.
So P and N.
P and
N.
so here P again it is not. So here P and N. So now see, Y, T, X are the interior, whereas outside which points are there? W, Z and M. So Z is there. Now on the circle can you see P and N? Clearly now?
Yes, teacher.
ऑन मतलब जो सर्कमफरेंस पे डॉट्स दिख रहे हैं ना P और N का, ये तुम्हारा ऑन द सर्कल आएगा. ओके, और जो कंप्लीटली विच इज नॉट अटैच्ड टू द सर्कल ओनली, तो उसको तुम बोलोगे कि इट इज अ एक्सटीरियर. क्लियर हो गया भव्या?
Yes, teacher.
ओके.
Yes.
केदार, आर यू देयर?